This is regarding this Kudremukh Iron Ore Company Limited. They had applied for iron ore mining and manganese mining long back. It had come for consideration. So in the previous BJP government, they had taken permission. That is stage 1 permission, stage 2 permission, everything. Now the issue is that the KIOCL company, Kudremukh Iron Ore Company Limited, so its track record is very bad. So when earlier, previously when the state government had given forest land for mining, they have violated many rules. Forest conservation rules have been violated, Wildlife Protection Act rules have been violated, and the CEC, Central Empowered Committee, has also observed and they have remarked that action should be taken against KIOCL company. And the Karnataka government has imposed a fine of 139 crores. That 139 crores they have yet to pay to the Karnataka government. So the government has taken a considered view that they should comply with all these conditions, then only forest land will be transferred to them. This is the issue. So we are there to protect environment, to protect forest, and will take necessary decisions in the interest of the state and in the interest of the environment.
Last question would be Congress sir. As we speak, Prime Minister just tweeted and tried on 25th of June, they tried to remember as the dark day of emergency. And PM said that dark day of emergency reminds us how...
Listen to me, let him address the autocratic rule of BJP government. The bulldozer era, whatever is happening, they are not taking the opposition into consideration. They are misutilizing rules, law and everything. So you see what is happening in Manipur, what has happened in NEET examinations. 24 lakh students have appeared for the exams and their whole career is at stake. Okay, so due to the wrong decisions, due to all sorts of irregularities and all, the future of these youngsters, so that is getting spoiled. He should address all these issues. He should address the price rise issue. Should take opposition people into confidence. That's not happening. And I don't know why unnecessarily he is raking up previous issues just to divert the attention of the people. So people in this country, they have got a right to know. Okay, he should answer to the people of the country. So what action is going to take about all these things?